Hello guys, we met again, and this time around I'm gonna share with you guys how to do it yourself DIY a coffee table. It is simple but it's look very exclusive and elegant, and the step is like very easy, like 1, 2, 3. So this is how I do it, and let's start.
First of all, you need to find something like this. This one I bought at IKEA. I think this is like for cabinet shelf or something like that. And then if you don't have any, then you can just have a plain wood. And next, I bought this iron hairpin leg dekat Shopee. We're gonna use 4 of it. Then you have to find a screw. Make sure it doesn't exceed your wood thickness that you're using for the table. And then place the iron hairpin leg to each side of the table and adjust as you want it. Next, I'm using a cordless screwdriver that I bought at Mr. DIY. You have to screw up like the hairpin leg. Be careful because this one got glass. You don't want to break the glass. And this is how it look when I screw all the hairpin leg to each side of the table. And once you're done, turn carefully the table. And tada, it's done. It's easy, right? Like I've told you before, you can do this like very simple, and you can also put whatever you want on top of the table as a decoration.
Okay, that's all I can share with you guys right now. I hope this video is giving you some ideas to do it yourself, your own coffee table. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And till we meet again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.